Hello to everyone, my name is Shabad Nabe and welcome to my YouTube class. And in today's class, I want us to review in present tense and even past tense. Ubushize twize how to construct a sentence in present tense and even in past tense. Ni utaruhari, go in description as a honamo link hanyuma nawe wige how to construct a sentence in present and even past tense. Now wabwiye ko present tense ivuga ibintu bibaho buri gihe, actions that happens regularly. Hanyuma past tense, those are the actions that already happened in the past. Now, when you are constructing a sentence in the present tense, you take subject plus verb plus verb in without to plus object. And in past tense, we take a subject plus past form of a verb plus the object. Now, let us compare present tense versus past tense. Now, I am, ndi. Ujye uvuga ngo nari, uravuga ngo I was. Urugero, I am a student, ndi umunyeshuri. I am a student. Hanyuma ujye uvuga ngo nari umunyeshuri, uravuga ngo I was a student. I have, mfite, verb to have, uvuga kugira. I have, mfite. Hanyuma muri past vuga I had. For example, I have a car. Mfite imodoka. I have a car. Ujye uvuga ngo nari mfite imodoka, wenda barayigurishije, uravuga ngo I had a car. Nari mfite imodoka. She go. Verb to go, evuga kugenda. Arajya. For example, she go to the market. Ajya ku isoko. Wewe umukobwa, verb to go no kujya hano. Hanyuma muri past avuga ngo she went to the market. She went to the market. Verb to go in simple present tense ihinduka went. Verb to go ihinduka went in past form. She went to the market. Yagiye ku isoko, maybe last Sunday, last Saturday, and so on and so forth. They see, barareba. For example, they see a bird. Bareba inyoni. Ujye uvuga ngo babonye inyoni mu gihe cyashize, uravuga ngo they saw a bird. They saw a bird. Verb to see ni ukureba. Verb to see ingiyi. Verb to see uvuga kureba. Hanyuma they saw, past form of verb to see it is saw. Please niba utarakora subscribe yikore ufungurizo kugira kugira ngo tujye tubana no mu zindi video zacu zo kwiga icyongereza. Now, I make a breakfast. For example, verb to make ivuga gukora. I make breakfast. Breakfast ni ifunguro rya mu gitondo. Hanyuma ifunguro rya sasa turyita lunch. Hanyuma nimugoroba turyita dinner cyangwa se supper. I make breakfast. Ujye uvuga ngo nakoze breakfast cyangwa se natunganyije cyangwa se nakoze ibya mu gitondo, uvuga ngo I made breakfast. Now, verb to make muri past ihinduka made. Now, I eat, verb to eat, vuga kurya. I eat rice and beans. I eat chips, ndya ifiriti, chips ni ifiriti. I eat chips. Ujye uvuga ngo nariye ifiriti, uravuga ngo I ate chips. Uvuga ngo verb to eat ni muri present tense. Hanyuma past yayo ni ate. Verb to eat induka ate in past form. I drink water. Verb to drink ivuga kunywa. I drink water. Nywa amazi, verb to drink. Hanyuma muri past tense, verb to drink induka drunk. I drank water. Nanyweye amazi. So verb to be I am hinduka was in past. Was. Verb to have muri past hinduka had. verb to go muri past hinduka went, verb to see muri past hinduka saw, verb to make muri past hinduka made, verb to eat muri past hinduka ate, verb to drink muri past hinduka drank. Please nimutara subscribe bikore, hanyuma nimukunze ino video like, subscribe, share, comment kugira ngo dufashanye growing this channel very fast. So thank you very much. I love you. Bye bye.